Hey, so wanted to make a video to share how I design my web browser to minimize distractions. So I use Google Chrome for the internet. So number one tool to eliminate distractions is Chrome extensions. So I'll pull up some of the extensions I recommend right now. First thing you gotta do, eliminate ads on websites. That goes for pop-up ads, banner ads, and especially the pre-roll ads that play before YouTube videos or other videos. Big waste of time, definitely frustrating. So I use Adblock. I actually use Adblock Plus. I think I installed the original Adblock earlier and then Adblock Plus later on, but this is really what eliminates all those ads from different websites that I visit. All of these extensions are free. If you just Google Adblock, Google Chrome extension, it'll come up, and pretty easy to install. So definitely recommend Adblock as a first step. Next, YouTube. So I watch a lot of YouTube, and I think the homepage is really distracting with all those different video recommendations, and also those recommended videos on the sidebar once you've clicked the link. So I use distraction-free YouTube, free Chrome extension. So when I pull up YouTube, this is what I see. It's completely blank. All you have is a search bar. And to me, it's just really calming, just not have all that noise here on the main page. So you can pull up a search. One of my favorite channels lately, Pursuit of Wonder. Really great stuff. Pull up this video, for example. So go and find the video you want to watch, but then here on the side, notice there's nothing on the sidebar. So no recommended videos, no autoplay to the next video. So really love distraction-free YouTube. If you ever do want recommendations, you can use an alternate browser such as Safari. You'll see here there's some recommended videos if you ever do want those, but for the most part, I like to keep the noise to a minimum with the clean interface. Next one for Twitter. So Twitter's great. I think it's an excellent tool. Learn a lot on Twitter, but it can also be very distracting. You can fall down the rabbit hole. So use an extension over here called Twitter Tamer. So let's take a look. You see, log into Twitter. Here's my main feed, sort of the accounts that I curate and follow. But over here on the side, you'll notice it's completely blank, right? So typically, if you turn the Twitter Tamer off, you will have all sorts of trends. These are usually news about celebrities or something Trump said, really distracting, and can often just sort of click those absentmindedly. Also these extra recommended follows, but turn on your Twitter Tamer and those all go away. So definitely recommend that. And final extension I'll recommend, it's kind of a fun one, but Momentum right here. So if you get Momentum, it just sort of makes your default web browser this really nice image. It changes every day, just incredible landscapes from around the world, and you get a quote down here. This quote's okay, but some of them are just fantastic, and I've got a folder of the quotes I save from Momentum. So there it is, Adblock, distraction for YouTube, Twitter Tamer, and Momentum. It's a good start to reducing the amount of time you waste on the internet.